Hello friends, this is Charujan. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSE Learners. So in this video, I will talk about speech on Teachers Day. So let's begin. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to each one of you. Teachers Day is celebrated in India on the 5th of September every year. It is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India and a great scholar. Teachers' Day is an important occasion for all the educational institutions and honors the hard work and teachings of all the respected teachers. It is a day filled with lots of excitement and celebrations for the school, followed by a Teachers' Day celebration speech. A very warm welcome to all my respected teachers and everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Teachers' Day. I would like to start my speech by thanking all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and best owing us with all the teachings, moral values and discipline. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated every year on the 5th September to mark the birthday of our second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president of India. He was also a great scholar, an ideal teacher, and a Bharat Ratna recipient. He was born on 5th September 1988. It was after becoming the President of India, some of his friends and students approached Dr. Radhakrishnan to celebrate his birthday. To this, he replied that instead of celebrating his birthday on this particular date, it would be his privilege if 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day all over India. Thereafter, 5th September is celebrated every year to honor our beloved teachers who nourish and prepare us for a better future. Teachers are our supporting pillars who play an important role in guiding us throughout our student life. They give their best to teach us valuable lessons in life and are our role models, whom we look up to. I equally want to thank my parents for being my first mentor and supporting me in each and every step of my life. On this occasion, I would like to request my parents as well as my teachers to continue guiding me in every phase of my life. It is said that the future of a particular country lies in the hands of its children. Thus, a teacher has a major role to play in shaping the future of the students and help us become successful in our respective careers. Teachers' Day is thus celebrated to honor the hardships as well as to acknowledge their special role in our lives. It is a day full of excitement, activities and special performances that are organized by the students, especially for their teachers. Teachers' Day is not only celebrated in India but also is celebrated worldwide to appreciate the power of teaching. Different countries celebrate this day on different dates, but UNESCO officially declared the 5th of October as World Teachers' Day in 1994. Thank you.